In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an app with Bolt.new. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, on their official website, you want to sign up for an account or just sign in if you have one already. And then here, it's going to just say, what will you build today? And then you can just go ahead and create your app. So to build an app, just click on in here and describe whatever you want to see. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to tell it to actually create a simple calculator app. Okay, so just type that in, create a simple calculator app, and that's pretty much it. So of course you can describe it in as much detail as you want. I'm just going to do that for now because I think it's fine. And in here you could click on this plus button, you could go ahead and enhance your prompt, you could attach files, or you could go ahead and choose the different agent you want to use. So I'm just going to use this one right now, and I'm also going to enhance this prompt over here. So let's see what it cooks up in just a few seconds when this should be done. There we go. So as you can see here, it's basically creating a very detailed prompt of what I want to see from the calculator, which is amazing. And I'm actually not even going to read this through. I'm just going to leave it be. And then you want to click on plan over here in case you want it to plan, or you could just leave this off and click on build now. So whenever you click on build now here, it's going to basically start building your app here. As you can see, it says thinking. And then whenever that's done, which usually will take a few minutes, so it's not like an instant, it's going to take some time. So whenever that's basically done, you've successfully built your app with your Bolt.new website. Of course, you'll then be able to review it over here and then publish it and do whatever you want with it. And that's essentially all you have to do to build the app. So just type in whatever you want to see, press the build button, and then it's going to start building. And when that's done, you're going to have your own app. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.